Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 26 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to focus on the Baddha Konasana family and 3 different variations. So take a few moments to choose your base and we'll begin with the opening chant. Feel steady, connect with your breath, let go of all that has come before. Take an inhale. Om. Vande Gurunam Charna Rabinde Sumdashti Satsva Sapara Bodhe Neshte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Hala Hala Moha Shantiye Babavu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasraj Vrasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. Coming to Samastitihi, Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift, Ekam. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift chest. Chakravade, exhale, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, lift. Shat, exhale, downward dog. 1. Take some time to heat the body with the breath. 2. Make any movements you need to in this first sun salute. 3. Remember you can bring your knees down. Listen to your body. 4. And 5. Look forward. Sukta, inhale, come through. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi. We've got Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1. Even out the breath, you see, increase the pace slightly. 2, as we get further and further into this challenge. 3, but don't worry if you're behind the count, that's okay. Just do it in your own time, no problem. 4, there is no rush in yoga. And 5, look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Vinyasa 2, Baddha Konasana. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Look forward. Inhale, step, jog or jump through to seated for Baddha Konasana, a variation. So you can be in a cross-legged position, a half lotus or a full lotus position. Sit nice and tall. And then bring the soles of the feet together. So soles of the feet come together. And then you open the feet like the pages of a book. So bring the feet in and then peel the soles of the feet open as you lift the chest, draw the shoulders down. A variation, exhale, release the chin. 1, keep a squeeze of Mula Bandha. 2, feel your chest emerging with the breath. 3, and just meet any stuck, frustrating feeling with the breath. This is the emotion it's meant to bring up. It's all good. We're dealing with our stuff. 4, Keep the hands really strong. And 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, begin to hinge forward with a nice long back. 1. This is B variation. That's it. 2. So resist the temptation to round the back. Look towards the tip of the nose and beyond. 3. Squeezing. Mula Bandha, drawing the lower abdominals in. That's it, bring it back. 4. So it takes quite a lot of patience to do less. And 5. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Now you can slide the feet forward. Now we get a chance to round if you wish. Exhale, entering. 1. So in extremis, the forehead is on the feet themselves. 2. It might be you just round the back and just let go of the head. 3. It might be you release the chin to the chest. So just see. Breathing. 4. Relax the shoulders. And 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take a vinyasa. Step in or jump in the legs back or come to seated. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go. Inhale, come through. Final 3 lotuses. We're there already. Well done. Remember your options. Adjust my headband. There we go. Arms behind the back. Inhale. Exhale. Entering. 1. Slowing down. 2. Baddha Konasana family can feel like a little bit of a relief. 3. After the jumping around, the craziness that comes before it. 4. Remember, the asana practice is designed to push our buttons. 5. We find where the edge is, where the tension is. 6. And then we try and breathe into it. What's creating that edge? 7. Are we stuck in the mind? Are we stuck in the body? 8. Acknowledging that both things are related. 9. Body no stiff, mind is stiff. That's from the Ashtanga master. 10. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, release to Padmasana. Straight lines of energy entering. 1. 2. Regulate the breath. 3. 4. Keep your drishti. 5. Find the mind flickering around. That's what the drishti is for. 6. Keep your focus, concentration. 7. This is the 6th limb of yoga. 8. All of the limbs can be found in this practice. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utpluptihi. Inhale, exhale, engage or lift. 1. 2. Stay strong. 3. Stay with the breath. 4. Lift the knees if you can. 5. You do full lotus break. 6. 7. Good. Keep squeezing and lifting. 8. 9. 10. Exhale, release it down. Well done. We've got a final vinyasa to freedom across the ankles or stay seated. And we lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go. Inhale, come through. And make your way all the way down to Shavasana. Open the palms, relax the ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Do it again. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Slow Bandha, Drishti, Ujjayi, and the count. resting, drifting for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Move your fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And then take a nice long inhale as you stretch all the way back. Exhale, release, bending at the knees and the elbows, bringing the knees in for a squeeze and a roll to one side. Pause there. Appreciate your body for getting you so far into this challenge. Feel maybe you're reaping the benefits of peace, strength, flexibility of mind, and then levering yourself up to comfortable seated. Lengthen the spine, lift the heart space, hands to Anjali. Gently bow the head as you give thanks for your health and your practice. Inhale to lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So well done. We're getting closer and closer. You're doing so well. If you're enjoying this challenge, please do subscribe. There are more things coming. And have a great time. Have a great day.